In the middle of a forgotten junkyard, we discovered a legendary 1934 Mitsubishi PX33 buried under rust.
The owner called it scrap metal, but we saw history waiting to be reborn.
After years of sitting abandoned, the PX33 finally moved again. Under decades of dirt, hidden details slowly came back to life. The engine was completely seized, but the rebuild had officially begun.
Every dent, every crack, every rust hole, repaired by hand. A stunning, glossy finish transformed the forgotten wreck into a masterpiece.
Piece by piece, the PX33 returned to its former glory. From forgotten junkyard scrap to one of the rarest restored classics on Earth.